प्रणाम योगेश, मेरा नाम है अमित एंड स्वागत है आपका हमारे YouTube चैनल में। आज का आसन है अधोमुखा वृक्ष आसन। तो शुरू करते हैं हमारा अभ्यास। इनहेल, raise your both hand up. Then exhale, drop your palm to right side first and come to tabletop. Look your palm in the line of your shoulder and your knee in the line of your hip. And spread your whole finger on the ground. Inhale, move your body forward and exhale back. Inhale forward, exhale back. Inhale forward, exhale back. Inhale forward, exhale back. Inhale forward and exhale, come to neutral. Then your finger pointing backward. Inhale forward, exhale back. Inhale forward, exhale back. Inhale forward, exhale back. Inhale forward, exhale, come to neutral. Then release your palm and your finger pointing each other. Inhale, rotate your right side and exhale to left. Inhale to right, exhale to left. Inhale to right, exhale to left. And opposite, inhale to left, exhale to right. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Then release your palm. First, sit on your heel and your palm up to the sky. Elbow straight. Press your palm. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up, release your palm and make a fist and rotate your 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, release your palm down. Inhale, raise your both hand up. Exhale, drop your palm down, press your palm, come to tabletop first. Inhale, lean your body forward. Then your right leg back, tug your toe and few breathe here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, drop your right knee down. Inhale, left leg back, tug your toe. Breathe here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, then exhale. Drop your knee down and come to tabletop. Tug your toe. Inhale, then exhale. Lift your tailbone up to downward facing dog. 5, breathe here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, right leg up. Bend your knee and knee touch in your right armpit. Inhale up. Exhale to chin. Inhale up. Exhale to left armpit. Inhale up. exhale to right. Inhale up, exhale to chin. Inhale up, exhale to left. Inhale up and exhale, release your leg down. Inhale, left leg up, bend your knee, exhale, your knee touch in your left arm. Inhale up, exhale to chin. Inhale up, exhale to right armpit. Inhale up, exhale to left. Inhale up, exhale to chin. Inhale up, exhale to right. Inhale up, exhale to left. Inhale up, exhale to chin. Inhale up, exhale to right. Inhale up, exhale to left. Inhale up, exhale. Drop your left leg down and body parallel on the floor. Look front. Inhale, then exhale. Drop your elbow down. Look between your elbow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale your right leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press your palm and come up. Parallel on the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, then exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale back, drop your leg down. Inhale, left leg up. Look front between your palms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Drop your leg down. Drop your knee down and go to child pose here. Press your palm. Come again to tabletop first. Tug your toe. Inhale. Then exhale. Lift your tailbone up. Few breathe here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And come front of the body. Your chest parallel on the body. To plank. Bend your elbow, go down to Chaturanga Dandasana, hold Chaturanga Dandasana for 10 breath. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Lift your chest up and exhale to downward facing dog. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come to plank. Exhale, bend your elbow. And inhale, upward facing dog. Look up. Exhale to downward facing dog. 5 round. Inhale, front. Exhale. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale. 3. Inhale, front. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. 4. Inhale, front. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, front. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Drop your knee down. Go to child. 5. Breathe. Press your palm. Come to tabletop first. Then lift your tailbone up. Walk forward with your palm. Inhale, look front. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your elbow and your knee touch in your armpit here. Look between your palm. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, lift your both leg up. Stay here, few breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale down. Go 5 round here. Inhale, press your palm. Lift your knee up, the knee touch in your armpit and lift up your feet up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale down. Inhale, then exhale. Press your palm. Lift your heel up first, then knee on your armpit and lift your body up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale down. Inhale, then exhale. Press your palm. Lift your heel up. Your knee touching your armpit. Lift up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Look up. Last one. Press your palm down. Lift your heel up first, then knee on your armpit and lift up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale down. 5 breathe here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press your palm. Walk back to downward facing dog. Then walk with your palm backward. Inhale, look between your palm, then walk forward. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, walk back. Go 5 round here. Inhale, walk forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale back. Third round. Inhale, walk forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, walk back. Fourth round, walk forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Last one. Inhale, walk forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here, drop your elbow down, forearm on the mat. Hold here. Few breathe. Engage your core. Inhale, then come back. Drop your knee down. Now we are ready for handstand. Okay, let's do. First, press your palm and come to downward facing dog. Look between your palm, gaze in one point and press your palm. Bend your knee and jump here. 1, 2, 3. Try to hold here. 4, 5. And last one, press your palm, then lift up. Lift. 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 And relax. Okay, thank you. ये हमारे कुछ बेसिक आसना थे फॉर आवर शोल्डर स्ट्रेंथ, आवर आर्म स्ट्रेंथ, आवर शोल्डर, आवर रिस्ट मोबिलिटी. आप रेगुलर इस आसना को अपने अभ्यास में करते रहना और जल्दी हम मिलेंगे अपनी दूसरी वीडियो में. नमस्ते, धन्यवाद.